London news. Same exact thing. But now you might be wondering, okay, where did this tap into? Where did this tap
Yeah.
into? Let me show you. Multi-time frame. Okay. Go to the daily. What do we have? Once this breaks, what will it act as? Resistance.
Resistance.
Right? Resistance. So now use a line chart. A support is broken. What will it do? It will act as a resistance.
Resistance.
Draw a line. Go to a lower time frame. Let's check what's gonna happen. Okay, look what's gonna happen now. Okay, go to the 50-minute maybe. There we go. Liquidity building up below it. Expect news to come here. Okay, expect news to come here, not London, because we have high impact news coming. Because let's see. If I go to the forex factory, this is the first. Yeah, look at this. On Monday, let's check Monday. This is October. Oh, let's see Monday. Give me a second. 1st of November to, let's say, maybe 10th of November or something. Okay. Where is Monday? We can't find Monday. Ah, that was 39th, right? I'm sorry, 29th of October. Give me a second. Yeah, 31st of October. There you go. Now, can you see this? This day on Monday, we do not have any high impact news during the New York session. Okay, so we
Yeah.
can trade the London session safely. But on Tuesday, what do we have? High impact news. See that? ISM or something. I don't know the names, but just look for the red folders. That's more than enough. Okay, so we have something. So we have something now. This is Tuesday. So can we expect London to go above Asia and then melt? No. We expect news
No.
to do the move. Okay, so yeah, what I did was this. Sold it from the daily point of interest. You saw what the daily point was, right? Now,
Yeah.
yeah, what is that? That was a daily, was that SPR, or is support broken turns into resistance, or else it's a daily order block. Okay, it's simply a daily order block, whatever. And then you target the Asian low or as external range liquidity like this. Okay, so what happens? What happens? Look at this. Okay, not yet, not yet. Patiently wait, patiently wait. There it taps. Where did it tap into? Do you think anyone will have an idea where it tapped into? Like when you have
No.
all this stuff in here, you had an order block here, you had an order block here, you had order blocks here. Why this? You see why that is, right? It's a daily level. It's a daily level. Okay, so there it goes. Taps and then there it comes. Boom. Can you see the entry? Okay, so this
Yeah.
Asia, London, news. Exactly that is what happened. You saw that, right? Same exact thing. Okay, so that was Tuesday. That was Tuesday. Let's see some more. Look at this one. This day, what did Asia do? Asia created what? A strong high. Can you see that? Asia has created a strong high, and we are safe to trade the London session this day because see, this is the 31st of October, and that was a Monday. We had no news, no high impact news, right?
Yeah.
So we can safely trade the London session. So now, what has Asia done? Asia has created a strong high. So when Asia creates a strong high, where will our focus go into? I told you to the 4-hour time frame, right? Let's go to the 4-hour.
Yeah.
What do we have? What do we have? A rejection block, open close levels. Can you see that? Okay, we had this open close levels in here on that strong high itself like this. And then timing. The next thing is timing, right? I told you. At what time of the day are we expecting price to get here? London kill zone was at
London Calzone.
11:30. Yeah, London kill zone was at 11:30. Or else London session that is at 12:30, right? At 12:30. So look what happens. Okay, patiently wait. Can you see what happened? In
Yeah.
between that time of the day, there it gives you the mitigation. Okay, gives you a mitigation. Stop loss. Yeah, mine was around a 4.2 pip stop loss with spreads. Yeah, something like this.
Actually, I have a question.
Yeah.
I have a question. What is the timing of Asian session?
Actually, I'll tell you because right now the times are changed because I told you the New York times are changed.
Daylight saving.
Yeah, daylight savings because those days, like on October until the 6th of November, this was the time I used 2:30 to 9:30 a.m. Indian time. Okay, but right now it's different. Okay, right now it's different due to the daylight savings time change. I'll tell you. Okay, I'll tell you. Just if when you're marking out Asia, set your time to New York time and then mark it out from 5 p.m. to New York midnight time. Can you see that? 5 p.m. to New York midnight time. So when you're marking out Asia, always mark out from 5 p.m. to New York midnight time. Okay, so something like that. Okay, let's see. Now you see, you see what happened here, right? In between that time of the day, there it gives you the
Yeah.
mitigation. First target will be what? The Asian low. Second target will be the external range liquid. So what happens? Look how quick the move is. Boom, you're done. If you're done with the Asian low, you're done. Or else leave the rest into the external range liquid. Why once again to the external range liquid? Because major breakout structure bearish, which means London will push it down once again to the external range liquid. So what happened? What happened? There it melts. See that?
Yeah.
You see what happened there? Okay, so something like that. Okay, so I'm not gonna say it's easy. I'm not gonna say it was
One
a
for the
very easy
week.
setup. Yeah, just what? Yeah, if you risk 1%, that's all you need for the week. Okay, that is all you need for the week. Okay, so this day, of course, I have no idea what happened, but I'll show you. Yeah, once again, this was a trade one of my students took, not me. Let me put the replay tool in here. Yeah, he
You
was the
have
one who
a
sent
group
me.
or something?
Yeah, like I just personally deal with them. I do not use groups because groups are not my
Oh,
thing. So, yeah, what is this? Took out the Asian low, came down and created a strong low. Stop hunt, breakout structure, or a break in here.
we can trade on the 15-minute time frame.
Yeah, you can trade on 50-minute times. That's fine. But you have to know the higher time
Oh,
frame direction. Okay, I'm only showing you this example. Okay, nothing else. So what happens now?
oh,
Liquidity. Right below it, what do we have? A support. Can you see that? We have this
yeah,
formation once again. See? So what happens? Now you can buy it here if you want. I did not do this once again. Okay, I only saw this once. He sent it to me. What happened? There it taps and flies right away. See that? Takes out the low and then there it goes up. Okay, so I had no trades this day because this was a bit late though, because this right here happened right at London Open. Okay, this move happened right at London. I just wanted to take a direct trade. I did not know what the point of interest was, so no trades for me that day. Okay, I'll show you the losses too, because not only the winning trades, because even with this you will take losses. I have to show you that too. Not gonna like sell dreams. I'm not gonna tell you every single London Open you're gonna win. No, you will
yeah,
lose. You will lose. Okay, so can't help it. Okay, so I'll show you another one. Look at this. Below Asia, on the 4-hour time frame, we had a support. Can you see that?
yeah.
We had a support, but we were inside of a daily order block this day. So price can still push down, right? Look at that. We were inside of this whole thing.
Yeah.
So there are chances of it pushing back down, right? So is it safe for me to like buy inside of a inside of a bearish order block? Not safe, right? So that's why
No.
I decided to do a confirmation entry. If I go to the 15-minute, what happened? Look at this. It came down into the 4-hour point of interest and did the stop hunt and gave the break. See that? So there we get the
Yeah.
confirmation. So then what do we have in here? A support, right? We have a support. So what happens? Comes down, flies up. See that? Buy it here, stop loss
Yeah.
here, target here, or else here. You're done. Okay, so something like that. I'll show you. Let's go to Euro USD. Let's check some examples on Euro USD because you might trade that as well. This day I have no idea what happened. Same thing in here. This day we had news, so you can see what happened, right? Asia, London, and New York news. See that news? Okay, so let's see. Let's see. We were going through this stuff on GBP USD. Where did we stop? Yeah, look at this one. A very nice setup. Asia, London, New York. At what time does the New York kill zone open? 4:30 p.m. Right? Look at the move.
Yeah.
Look at the move. 4:30 p.m. I told you, when there is news, okay, see, this was Tuesday. You saw how there was high impact news on Tuesday. When there is news, can you trade the London session? No, not
No.
safe. Okay, not safe. So the best thing to do is trade the New York session. So what happened? Asia, London, news. Boom. Okay, so look at this one. This was Monday. I showed you, right? There were no high impact news. Right? There were no high impact news.
Yeah.
So what has Asia done? Asia has created a strong high,
Strong.
liquidity taken, structure broken. So when Asia creates a strong high, where will your focus go into? I told you to the 4-hour time frame, right? To the 4-hour time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. What do we have? A resistance or else a rejection block. Can you see that? We had a rejection
Yeah.
block. Okay. Now, yeah, this day I was trading on MT4 with my phone. Okay. So then that day I saw on the 5-minute time frame, we had another resistance lining up with this level. Can you see this? 4-hour one is here. We can do a slight refinement of it into here. Can you say? A slight refinement. Okay, slight refinement into here. And then what comes next? Timing, right? Timing. I told you at what time of the day should price get here? 11:30 or else 12:30. Now this was those days. Right now the times are different. I'll give you the times that we use right now at the end of the session. Okay. And then most importantly, we have some liquidity right below the point of interest. Can you see that? A swing high.
Yeah.
Okay. And now one obvious thing is that the Asian low will get taken out, right? Because of the relatively equal lows. Can you see that? Okay. So then what we can do is we can sell it, target the Asian low. So that's more than enough, right? You have what? 37 pips. Okay. 37 pips.
Yeah.
Stop loss will be around 5 pips, the standard one. Like this. Okay. So let's see what happened. Look at the timing. Okay. Look at the time. This is what we focus on mainly. Okay. So look what happens. 11:30. Right at 11:30. Can you see that? Tapped.
Yeah.
Gave us a reaction. Went back up. I got stopped out at break even. Okay, so very unfortunate day for me because at 12:30 once again it went into that price level. See that? But eventually, yeah, did come back into the targets. Did you see where the entry came from? Do you think anyone will have an idea where it came from? No idea, right? In the
No
middle
idea.
of nowhere. Okay, but can you see the precision? Like once again, I can't make these things up, right? You saw the precision. Taps and it melts. Okay, like even if you did not do the refinement, even then you had a nice entry. See that? Even then, if you use the 5 pip stop loss, you had a nice entry. So, like, it can't even get any better than this, right? This is enough. This is more than enough. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so let's see. Let's see some more. Look at this one. One of the cleanest days ever. I only managed to get in on the sell. Okay, but I had the buy marked out too. Look at this. What has the Asia done? Asia has created equal highs. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, let me mark it out. And Asian low has created what? Equal lows. So now very obvious, right? Both of them are going to get taken out. Okay. So now let me go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's check for POIs there because there was nothing on the daily, obviously. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. What did we have? Below Asia, did we have any point of interest close by? No, because Asia has already tapped into the support that was in here during Asia.
Yeah.
And you can see that, right? But above Asia, what do we have? A rejection block or as the open close levels as well. Can you see that? You can see that, right?
Yeah.
We have that. So below Asia, nothing on the 4-hour. Then let's check the 1-hour. What do we have on the 1-hour time frame right below the Asian low? Support.
Yeah.
Can you see that? Support. Okay, so let's mark it out like that. And then what's the next thing we focus on? The final thing. Timing, right? Timing. Okay, so at what time? 11:30, 12:30. Can you understand this? Can you see how I'm doing the same exact thing every day? Same exact thing. Okay, so what happened now? Patiently wait until the time is right. There we go. Now we are interested in trading because London kill zone has opened. Now, yeah, I had this marked out, but I could not take the trade because I was focused on sells. Because why was I focused on sells? Because the major breakout structure was bearish, right? So the best thing to do is look for sells itself. You see that, right? Okay, so we will go with sells itself. Okay, so stop loss can be placed where? Below this order block. 2.1 pips, see there? Below that order block. Still on the 50-week time. And where can you target? Asian high. Can you understand setup? You could have done this.
Yeah.
Okay, so what happened? Comes down. There it goes. Look at the time. Right at 12:30 on the dot. Okay, right at 12:30, there it taps into our point of interest. Asian low taken out, and then what happens? Done.
Fake move.
See that? You're done. But are you gonna hold the runners or anything? No, no, no. Don't trust it. Okay, do not trust these moves. Let it go. What I did was I sold it. Okay, I sold it. 5 pips stop loss. Where am I targeting? All these lows. Because why? We are still bearish. This right here was only a fake move that happened with Lana. Who cares if it is fake or not, right? If you can make the money out of it. Okay, we don't care. Like if I managed to get in on the buy, I wouldn't even focus on the sell. But I thought the buys might be risky because the major breakout structure was bearish. So the market might want to come down. Okay, so something like that. So what happened? Done. the buy and the sell. You saw how quick it is, right? When the time is right. Because you don't want to
Yeah.
take a trade and then wait for hours until it goes into your targets, right? You know how frustrating that is because we're humans, right? If we are in a
Yeah.
trade, what do we do? Until it goes into the targets, we check the phone. Like, am I wrong? No, right? We do that. Even I do it. Okay, until it goes into targets, we check the phone, we check the computer, we check everything to see if
Yeah.
it is gone
Yeah.
there. Okay, so if you are trading, like let's say during the late New York session at around 11 p.m. or 10 p.m., you know that the market dies at that time, right? There's no volatility. So imagine if you take a trade at that time of the day, you'll wait until it's early in the morning until it goes into your target. But if you manage to take a trade at this time of the day, it's okay even if you
Yeah.
keep checking your phone because this is the time when the momentum kicks in. Maximum it will take only around 1 hour, 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours. Okay, so that's about that. So always make sure you try to trade during London kill zone or London open. So you
Okay.
understood both of those setups, right? The buy and the sell.
Yeah. Yeah.
You saw what happened.
Yeah.
Went below Asia, went up, went above Asia, came down. Okay, so why did London why did it fall off? Because the market was still bearish. Okay, the market was still bearish. That was that day. Okay, so let's see some more. This day, of course, I have no idea what happened, but Asia created a strong low. So on the 4 hour time frame, let's see what was there. I told you. What gets created on the 4 hour time frame when Asia creates a strong low? I told you an order block or else a rejection block, right? I told you
Yeah.
that happens all the time. So what do we have created during Asia? Order block and a rejection block. Okay. Or else in support and resistance terms, resistance broken turns into support and a support.
Yeah.
See that? So we have that. You can call it whatever you want to. And yeah, what can we expect London to do? Tap into either. I hate days like this because like I'm not good with these confirmation entries. Like I miss them. Okay, I miss them. So look at what happened this day. Okay, let's mark out the timing to 11:30, 12:30. Okay. Why are we expecting a buy now? Because Asia is a strong low, liquidity taken, structure broken. Okay, so what happens? Okay, there we go. Time is good. 12:30 comes the fake move right into the order block. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Right into the
Yeah.
order block. So I missed it because I was waiting for a confirmation. What happened? Fly. Oh, see that? Where did the move come from? Do you think anyone will have an idea? No, but you know where it came from.
No.
Right from the 4 hour order block. Okay, so you see the importance of higher time frames, right? I'll show you more.
Yeah.
The higher time frames are it is the key, okay, not the lower time frames. This day I have no idea what happened. Asia was just trending because what I did was now Asia created a strong high this day. So you know what happens, right? We go to the 4 hour time frame and we mark out the order block and the rejection block. We wait for price to react from either one of these zones. But
Yeah.
London did not do that. So can I force a move? Like if London doesn't do that, can I push it up? No, right? Only thing I
No.
can do is just let it go. Okay? 11:30, 12:30. Was my setup clear? No, if my setup isn't clear, then why should I trade it, right? Just let it go. Let it go. That's why I told you. Just focus on one consistent setup, master it, because as you gain consistency, as time goes by, all you have to do is trade the same setup but with a bigger lot size. That's all you have to do,
Yeah.
right? With
Yeah.
bigger lot size. Okay, so don't try to trade every single setup you see. Okay, that's where I will. That's the mistake you can do. Okay, something like that. So let's see. Look at what happened here. Asia created equal highs. Look at the time of the reversal. Okay, 11:30, 12:30. At what time did they give you the reversal? Oh, into the Asian low. Can you see that? Right into the
Yeah.
Asian low. Okay, so that was that day. Let's see some more. Look at this one. Is the Asian high a strong high? No, right? So let's see.
No.
Now, I missed the buy. I took a sell though because of timing once again. Because right below Asia, what did we have? This a support, right? We had a support, and yeah, now very close to this, we had a resistance in here as well. But I took the risk from here. On the H1 time frame, we had a resistance very closer in here. Can you see that? Okay, we had that.
Yeah.
And then what's the next thing we focus on? What's the next thing? Now remember, this was a very risky setup because there was a 4 hour resistance in here as well. You saw that, right? So
Yeah. Yeah.
when it is risky, you're not gonna risk the same amount you risk for all the other trades. No, you're gonna risk a little bit lower. Like common sense, right? Makes sense. So like this,
Yeah. Yeah.
11:30, 12:30. So if they at this time of the day, if it's